In this video, I'm going to show you the coolest little trick in the world. Basically, what this trick does is makes it so that every link on a web page becomes your affiliate link, and I'm going to show you what I mean. You notice how when you put your mouse over a link down here in the lower left-hand corner of your web browser, it shows the URL of that link. And I want you to notice something. I'm going to mouse down on, for example, this link. You notice the address, unlockyourglutes.com. By the way, this is an affiliate page for that program, Unlock Your Glutes, on ClickBank that I posted on sites.google.com. Just to show you that this trick works on third-party sites like Blogger, sites.google.com, as well as your own website. As long as you can paste a few lines of JavaScript code, this trick will work. Watch what happens. I'm going to mouse down on the link. Look at that. It becomes an affiliate link. Now I'm going to release the mouse, put my mouse back over the link. Wait, what happened? It switched back to the original link. This is the ultimate link hiding trick that we have formulated and come up with, and it makes it so every single link on the web page is your affiliate link. I'll do it for this link here, builtwithscience.com. Pay attention down here. I'm going to mouse down on the link. Look at that, affiliate link. I take my mouse off the link, goes back to the original link. Moduvated.com, why training glutes is so important. I'll mouse down. Up, your affiliate link. Let go of it. What's fantastic about this is there's no way anybody is going to know your links are affiliate links, because when they click on the link, if they look in the corner before they click on it to see where the link's supposed to go, and they click on it, and it loads the affiliate link. This is my affiliate right here for this ClickBank product. So what happens is they'll go back, they'll say, well, why did it go to this? That's not what I clicked. When they go back to put their mouse over the link, it's going to be the original link. So people are actually going to think that it's the target website playing the games and not you. Here, we'll do this link here. Again, Built with Science Fitness Tips. You click on it, it loads the affiliate link at ClickBank. But when you mouse back over that original link that you just clicked, it's the link it's supposed to be. Every single link on your web page becomes an affiliate link. This works on many third-party sites like sites.google.com, blogger.com, works on your own site, works on your WordPress site. Again, as long as you can input a few lines of JavaScript code, this works. The only trick here is most of the content that I provide on YouTube, I provide these tips 100% free. This tip is so awesome that I'm going to have to charge a small fee, $7. Go down into the video description and click on the link. Pay the $7 with PayPal, and you will be sent everything you need to make this work for you. Again, it works on any website as long as you can paste a little bit of JavaScript code.